Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best shower head holder that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the BOPai Vacuum Suction Shower Head Holder. The BOPai Vacuum Suction Shower Head is our best choice product on this list. We chose it because it has one of the simplest installation processes, looks great, and is made from high-quality materials. Anything you buy for your bathroom has to be able to stand the test of time, and this shower head holder will do exactly that. Because a shower holder doesn't need to hold a huge amount of weight, there's no need for them to be screwed into the wall. That just causes unnecessary damage to your tiling and creates a lot of mess. Instead, this shower handle holder uses a suction cup to keep it securely fastened. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hotel Spa Solid Brass Adjustable Shower Head Holder. If you live in a family home, there are bound to be a lot of different people using the shower. And not all of them will be the same height. This can cause a problem in the shower when it's constantly being adjusted. It can cause wear and tear on the shower head holder, it can make it difficult for short people to reach, and it can even add money to your water or electricity bill. The Hotel Spa 11 inches solid brass adjustable shower extension arm is the answer. It's a solid brass arm that gives you 2 feet of vertical movement range. That means you can easily adjust the shower to your preference, without damaging anything. It's very easy to install. You just screw the pipe in between the shower pipe and the existing shower head and you have 2 feet of extra room to play with. The kit comes with Teflon tape included and detailed instructions on the installation process. At number 3, we have the Delta Faucet U3401PK Adjustable Shower Head Holder. Delta Faucet is one of the best-known brands in the world of bathroom fittings. They make a huge range of affordable and high-quality fittings that many of us probably have in our bathrooms without even realizing it. The Delta Faucet U3401PK Adjustable Shower Arm Mount is our best value product in this list. If you're looking for a simple way to mount your shower arm, this is the product for you. To use this product, you need to have a handheld shower that is attached to the wall without a mount. You simply remove the hose from the shower pipe and attach this mount onto the pipe. Then screw the hose back into the mount. It has a 1/2 inch IPS male outlet and a 1/2 inch IPS female outlet, which means it should fit on most standard showers. At number 2, we have the ZETA Adjustable Attachable Rotatable Shower Head Holder. The ZETA Adjustable Wall Mount Holder was a strong contender to be our best value product thanks to its low price. But, in the end, we preferred the Changing Lifestyles product featured earlier in the list. Don't let that put you off though, this is still a fantastic universal shower head holder. Like the last product, it's made from ABS plastic, instead of metal. Ultimately, this makes it cheaper to manufacture, but it probably won't last as long as a more expensive metal fitting. However, the ABS material is non-recycled, which helps the manufacturers ensure quality and longevity. To make the shower head holder look like every other fitting in your bathroom, it has multiple layers of chrome finish. And finally at number 1, we have the PureHome Shower Head Holder. The PureHome Shower Head Holder is easily one of the most attractive fittings on this list. That might seem like a strange thing to say about a bathroom fitting, but when it comes to interior design, it's the small details that make the biggest difference. Instead of having a chunky and rectangular design, PureHome has opted for a sleek, low-profile, and rounded design. It tends to look at home in more modern bathrooms. In terms of functionality, it's much the same as the other suction cup holders. Frustratingly, there is no information on how much weight the suction can hold. However, if you delve into the Amazon reviews, you'll find a lot of customers who swear by this product. A lot of the reviewers have tried multiple products before settling on this one, so you know it must be one of the best. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.